So here is the problem 1. We have to find the first principle from integration 2 to 4 e to the power x plus x square whole. First we will take the equally spaced subintegrals. Here fx equal to e to the power x plus x square, a equal to 2, b equal to 4, b equal to a plus nh, or n equal to 2 by h. According to definition of definite integral, integration a to b fx dx equal to limit n tends to h tends to 0, h into epsilon r is equal to 1 to n f of a plus rh equals to limit h tends to 0, h into epsilon r is equal to 1 to n e to the power 2 plus rh plus 2 plus rh whole square equal to limit h tends to 0, h into epsilon r is equal to 1 to n e to the power 2 plus rh plus h into r is equal to 1 to n 2 plus rh whole square equals to limit h tends to 0, h into epsilon r is equal to 1 to n e to the power 2 plus rh plus h into epsilon 4 plus r square h square plus 2 rh r is equal to 1 to n epsilon. And in the next line, limit h tends to 0, h square epsilon r is equal to 1 to n e to the power rh plus h into epsilon r is equal to 1 n 4 plus r square h square plus 2 rh. Limit h tends to 0, 4h square n plus 1 by 2 plus limit h tends to 0, h cube into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 equals to e square into limit h tends to 0, e to the power h into e to the power h to the power n minus 1 by e to the power h minus 1 plus limit h tends to 0, 4 into 2 by h into h plus limit h tends to 0, 2h square 2 by h into 2 by h plus 1 plus limit h tends to 0, h cube by 6 into 2 by h into 2 by h plus 1 into 4 by h plus 1 equals to e square limit h tends to 0, e to the power h into e to the power h into 2 by h minus 1 by e to the power h minus 1 by h plus 8 plus limit h tends to 0 plus 2 plus h into 4 plus limit h tends to 0 1/3 2 plus h into 4 plus h equals to e square into limit h tends to 0 e to the power h e square minus 1 e to the power h minus 1 by h plus 8 plus 8 plus 1 by 3 into 8 equal to e square into 1 into e square minus 1 by 1 plus 56 by 3 equal to e square into e square minus 1 plus 56 by 3. So here is the problem number 2. We have to evaluate from the first principle. It's integration a to b cos x dx. Solution: integration a to b cos x dx equal to limit 0 h into epsilon of r is equal to 1 to n cos of a plus rh equals to 0 h into cos of a plus h plus cos of a plus 2h plus cos of a plus 3h and thus cos of a plus nh. So it's the finalized form. Let a is equal to cos of a plus h plus cos of a plus 2h plus cos of a plus 3h and thus 2 cos of a plus nh, or 2a sin h by 2 equal to 2 cos a plus h into sin h by 2 plus 2 cos a plus 2h into sin h by 2 plus and thus plus 2 cos of a plus nh into sin of h by 2, or 2a sin h by 2 equal to sin of a plus 3h by 2 minus sin of a plus h by 2 plus sin of a plus 5h by 2 minus sin of a plus 3h by 2 plus 2 sin of a plus 2n plus 1 into h by 2 sin of a plus 2n minus 1 into h by 2, or 2a sin h by 2 equal to sin a plus h by 2 plus sin a plus 2n plus 1 into h by 2, or 2a sin h by 2 equal to sin of a plus 2n plus 1 into h by 2 minus sin of a plus h by 2 equal to 2 cos a plus 2n plus 1 into h by 2 plus a plus h by 2 sin of into sin of 2n plus 1 into h by 2 minus h by 2 by 2 by 2 equal to 2 cos 2a plus nh plus h by 2 sin nh by 2 by sin h by 2. Therefore, from number 1 we get integration a to b cos x dx equal to limit h tends to 0 cos of 2a plus nh plus h by 2 sin nh by 2 by sin h by 2 equal to limit h tends to 0 cos of 2a plus b minus a plus h by 2 sin of b minus a by 2 by sin h by 2 by h. B equal to a plus nh equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2 equal to sin a plus b by 2 plus b minus there will be b minus a by 2 minus sin a plus b by 2 minus b minus a by 2 equal to sin b minus sin a. We have to find from first principle integration 2 to 5 1 by x dx as the points 2 2t 2t square and such 2 2t to the power n minus 1 2 t to the power n. The interval 2 to 5 can be divided 2 to the power n equal to 5. Then integration 2 to 5 1 by x dx equal to limit n tends to infinity epsilon r is equal to 1 to n 1 by 2t to the power r into 2t to the power r minus 2t to the power r minus 1 equals to limit n tends to infinity t minus 1 into epsilon r is equal to 1 to n t to the power r minus 1 by t to the power r equal to limit n tends to infinity t minus 1 by t epsilon r is equal to 1 to n equals to limit n tends to infinity t minus 1 by t into n t to the power n equal to 5 by 4 or n equal to log t to the base 5 by 2 to the base t. T tends to 1 t minus 1 by t into log of 5 by 2 t equal to limit t tends to 1 t minus 1 into log 5 by 2 by t log t equals to log of 5 by 4 2 into limit t tends to 1 1 by t into limit t tends to 1 log 1 by log t into t minus 1. So in the next line it will be log 5 by 2 into 1 into limit t tends to 1 t minus 1 log t. So by applying L'Hospital limit t tends to 1 by t into log 5 by 2 equals to log 5 by 2 equals to log 5 minus log 2.
तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक लीजिए महाकाल का, दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक लीजिए, 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए।